What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we got another early review. Yes, sir. So the other day, Nike Sneakers app did a shock drop, and the yellow toes finally came home. Aww. If you've been watching the channel, you know I had the Pollins 3 times. I actually even did a how to style on the Pollins. I'll put it up there. Check it out. It was a good video. Plus, you can actually do some of those styles with the yellow toes. But these are different. This is retro Jordan 1. This is the crack toes, the tumble back. This is it, guys. Trust me. This is it. If you 50-50 about copping this pair, go get this pair, man. Oh my God, the golden yellow is tough. It's not my Laker yellow, but it's tough. Like honey mustard, man. Like, oh man, these are dope. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So like I told you, I got these off the Sneaker Shock drop early. These dropped September 24th, I believe. And I'm so happy because that's my birthday. My birthday's the 27th, so I'm going to be somewhere on vacation. I know I'm going to be on a plane. That's a Saturday. I'm happy I got to get them early. They were $195, as you know. Nike went up $10 on everything. So instead of these being $170 plus tax, $185, they were $180 plus tax, $195. That's New York City tax. Your city might be different. Nike does that almost every 2 years, go up $10. Y'all remember when Jordan 1s was $160? Yeah, me too. But I've been talking too long, man. Let's unbox these. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So it comes in your Bumblebee box, golden yellow, big black Nike logo. If you know, the Pollins, I believe, are reversed. The box is black with the yellow Nike logo. I think so. I can't remember, but yeah, I think that's how it was. Retro 1985 Jordan 1. Super dope, man. I love when he changes the box with the sneakers. So it reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Taxi, Black, Sale. I forgot they're calling these taxis. Yeah, I'm calling them the yellow toes. When you flip open the box, there go your quality control stamp, your Nike swoosh, all that stuff. Regular OG Jordan 1 tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Jordan 1 taxis. Yes, sir. So like I told y'all, OG. Look at the toe box. OG. Y'all see the crumbleness, the tumbleness in the toe box. Has that bounce back to it. Nice, soft, plush leather, guys. And that taxi colorway. Super dope. Come around. Got your black around the toes. The leather's not the best, but it's definitely vintage OG look leather. Look like they sprayed something on it to make it look that vintage OG. As you can see the wrinkleness in the leather already. Get here. Look very close. Y'all see that tumbleness? I know, it's not shattered backboard tumbleness, but man, that is tumble. Black leather swoosh, white background. This is even soft to touch, guys. This reminds me of the Obsidians, the red toes, the breads. This material is like Jordan's been saving this material, man. The back is where you get your taxi look a lot. If you know a taxi, especially a New York City taxi, you got the yellow, the white, and the black. All you're missing is a piece of red for the brake lights or whatever. But yeah, that looks taxi. And even there's some tumbleness in that leather. Look at the tumbleness, guys. This is crazy. Your Jordan 1 wing logo stays the same in a black, but it has that nice tumbleness yellow around it. Dope, man. Then the white bleeds in back to the black. Man, this sneaker, yo, I'm not hyping it, man. This sneaker is special, guys. On the tongue, you got a white tag, Nike Air logo in that taxi yellow colorway, mesh black tongue with some cotton in it. The back is where you know you got your words. The words are also in that yellow. Super dope. Coming into the inside of the shoe, Jordan shoe tree. Open it up. All yellow inside. Nike Air logo black. Taxis, man. Your bottom, if you've seen one Jordan 1, if you've seen one Dunk, high, low, if you've seen one Air Force 1, all bottoms of the sneaker looks like this. It's all yellow, Nike in the inside. Put both shoes side by side, all adds up, everything's the same. Even the tumbleness, guys. The tumbleness even adds up on both sides. Now, I've been in both sneakers in the whole box, and I'm very disappointed that these don't come with extra shoelaces. I don't know, it's because they gave us such a classic vintage look that they don't need an extra pair of shoelaces, but some yellow taxi shoelaces would have definitely went hard with these. I mean, I like the black, but they could have at least gave us white. Yellow preferably, but at least a pair of white should have been in here. But yeah, no shoelaces in my pair, man. It's crazy. These are nice, man. I like these, man. Let me know in the comment section below if you was lucky enough to cop these on a shop drop. If not, don't worry. That wasn't the release date. The release date is September 24th. Plus, you know, you got Snipes, Foot Locker. You know, you got a lot of different chances to win these. These are OG vintage. I don't know if stores like Dick's Sporting Goods is going to get this shoe, because Dick's only get the GRs. But man, these are up there, dog. I know last week when I checked, retail on these were only like $220. I mean, resale on StockX and Gold was like $220. So that's not bad. I just told y'all retail's $195. That's not bad, man. If you into yellow and you into vintage Jordans, get these, man. These are hard, man. This is just a quick early review on the Jordan 1 Taxis, Yellow Toes, Bumblebees, Wu-Tangs. These up the Polens by 10. If you own the Polens and you love the Polens, you're going to love these more, man. I'm telling you. These up them by 10. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.